Did you know that certain vitamins and supplements can promote eye health? The human eye is complex, and it requires a variety of vitamins and nutrients to function optimally. Today, we'll delve into the 6 best vitamins and supplements that can help maintain and improve your eye health. First on our list is vitamin A. Renowned for its role in maintaining good vision, vitamin A is crucial in protecting the eyes against night blindness and dry eyes. It's predominantly found in foods such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Next up is vitamin C. This potent antioxidant helps the body form and maintain connective tissue, including collagen found in the cornea of the eye. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are excellent sources of vitamin C. Thirdly, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are critical for maintaining the health of the retina. They also might help prevent dry eyes. You can find omega-3s in fatty fish like salmon and flax seeds. Fourth on our list is vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant helps protect the cells in our eyes from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals, which can lead to age-related degenerative diseases. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados are all good sources of vitamin E. Zinc comes in at number 5. This helpful mineral helps your body absorb vitamin A and reduces your risk of macular degeneration. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, beef, and lobster. Finally, we have lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 antioxidants are found in the retina and lens of our eyes. They protect the eyes from harmful blue light and ultraviolet light. Foods rich in these 2 nutrients include kale, spinach, and eggs. In summary, these 6 vitamins and supplements, vitamin A, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, zinc, lutein, and zeaxanthin, play a significant role in maintaining and promoting eye health. They not only help protect our eyes from harmful light and free radicals, but also aid in preventing age-related eye diseases. However, it's important to remember that supplements should not replace a balanced diet. They should be used as a complement to a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. And of course, before starting any new supplement regimen, always consult your healthcare provider. So, there you have it. A brief overview of the 6 best vitamins and supplements for eye health. It's clear that what we eat has a significant impact on our vision and overall eye health. It's time to give your eyes the nutritional boost they deserve.